अर्ज किया है, गौर फरमाइएगा। वो आगाज ही क्या जिसका अंजाम ना हो, वो कश्ती ही क्या जिसका साहिल ना हो, और वो टीम इंडिया की प्लेइंग 11 ही क्या जिसमें रविचंद्रन अश्विन का नाम ना हो।
वाह वाह सुजी, वाह वाह, आज तो बहुत जोश में लग रहे हैं।
As you must have figured out that we will be talking about Ravichandran Ashwin, but first and foremost, let's welcome our viewers. You are watching TV9 Digital and it's our show, Let's Talk Cricket with AJ and AV. And today, Atishay, my friend, we'll be talking about Ravichandran Ashwin and whether he is the biggest, not the greatest match winner, if he is in history of Indian cricket. And the other two contenders we will be talking about are the legendary Anil Kumble and my dad's favorite Kapil Dev. So let's first talk about Ravichandran Ashwin as to why he is in the news. Atishay, enough of talk about the pitch, but Ravichandran Ashwin's record cannot be taken away. 77 test matches and 400 scalps. He is clearly taking rapid strides and going to become one of the greatest bowlers of all time. But is he the biggest match winner in test cricket according to you?
Well, Abhijit, this is one debate which is catching fire on social media, especially after how Ashwin has performed in the recent 2 or 3 months.
But you are absolutely spot on, Atishay. The way he has transformed his game in the last 3 months, and I would rather take it 3 years back. One cannot also deny the fact that Ravichandran Ashwin, while playing overseas outside Asia, doesn't have even a single 5-wicket haul except for West Indies, Atishay.
Well, that is one argument which can be made against Ravichandran Ashwin, Abhijit, but you cannot take away from what Ravichandran Ashwin has accomplished overall as well as in India.
Well, you talked about someone contributing big after turning 30s, and there is no bigger example in Indian cricket than Anil Kumble himself. We will talk about few numbers over here just to specify Anil Kumble's contribution, and also we'll take a look and compare it to Ravichandran Ashwin's. So here are few numbers. In 63 home test matches, Anil Kumble has taken 350 wickets, his best bowling of 14 for 149, and he has 25 fifers at home, and 7 times he has picked 10 or more wickets in a match. So it is very much clear that Anil Kumble had a balanced record when it came to away and playing at home. But there is another contender, the 1983 World Cup winning captain Kapil Dev, and Atishay has few numbers for us.
In 131 matches, Kapil Dev bagged 434 wickets, but more importantly, he bagged 23 fifers and 2 times he bagged 10 wickets in a match. But what is crucial here to note is his record in home test as well as away test does not differentiate that much. He played 65 test matches at home and 66 test matches away from the country, and he bagged 219 wickets in India and 215 wickets outside the country. And this clearly shows that Kapil Dev's contribution to Indian cricket goes just beyond numbers. But Abhijit, that was all about Kapil Dev's impact and legacy. But what about Anil Kumble and what impact he left for someone like Ravichandran Ashwin and all those spinners coming behind them and then going on to play for India?
Absolutely. Well, Anil Kumble retired in 2008 and Ashwin was introduced to in Indian cricket by MS Dhoni in 2010-2011. So you can clearly see the bridge which or the gap rather which Anil Kumble left was filled by Ravi Ashwin, and also the kind of legacy for Anil Kumble. It's clear that it gave rise to the young budding spinners. You had the likes of Amit Mishra coming in, Harbhajan played alongside Anil Kumble, became the leader of the attack. So there was a constant flow of spinners. So that's the legacy and impact which Anil Kumble had on Indian cricket. There are few cricketers, Atishay, who have actually already made up their mind as to who is the biggest match winner.
Well, absolutely right, Abhijit. Someone like Gautam Gambhir, who has won 2 World Cups with Team India, has openly tweeted about it that he considers Anil Kumble to be the biggest match winner India has ever produced.
Ashwin is clearly the front runner at this point of time because he is the current generation cricketer where he has already taken 400 wickets. Possibly he will go on to take many more scalps by the time he retires. He has said that he wants to play for another 4 to 5 years, but one thing is for sure, by the time he retires, if not overhauling Anil Kumble's record, he will be somewhere close to him, and the comparisons will just go on and on and on. But I want to know from you as to who do you believe had the biggest impact on Indian cricket in test matches. Was it the legendary Anil Kumble, Was it the legendary Kapil Dev, or is it the right now the current taste with Ravichandran Ashwin? Do send in your comments and feedback in the section given below, and in the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to TV9 News across all social media platforms. Thanks a lot for watching.